What's up, guys? I'm back with another Browns rebuild. We're playing the 1-3 Dolphins. We got a win last week against the Detroit Lions. So let's get straight into it, I guess. Make sure to check out part 1 of the rebuild. That's where we beat the Lions. Just gonna keep the regular jerseys. So, yeah. Week 5 of the NFL. Nick Chubb, leading rusher in the league. There's Tua Tagovailoa. And here we go. We will be starting with the ball. Here we go. Oh, I almost got the trick play there. Up to the 21-yard line. Our rookie quarterback had one heck of a week last week. 256 yards and 5 touchdowns. Oh, Dawson Knox. First down. Great way to start off the game. Just run a little inside zone here with Jaylen Warren. Nowhere. Mesh spot. Here we go. D-Hop wide open. First down. D-Hop didn't have a very good week last week. He only had like a reception for like 4 yards, but there he goes with the first down. Jerry Jeudy slant drops the ball. Run it with Chubb. Nick Chubb almost to the first down. 9 yards there. Third down and 1. And Chubb gets stuffed behind the line. I want to go for it, but at the same time, I can't risk it. We're just going to take the easy field goal. 54-yard by Younghoe Koo. It's up. It's good. 3-0 to start off this game. I wish we could have scored 7 that drive, but that didn't go the way I wanted to. So 3-0. Oof, what a tackle. Here comes Tua Tagovailoa. I don't know what the heck that run was. Jeez. He was like, ooh. Is Tyreek Hill still on the team? I don't think he is. He's not on the field. Did he retire? Come on, get to the quarterback. Oh, Jalen Waddle wide open. Well, that's not a good start. First down, 10. No pressure. Oh, there we go. But we still didn't get the sack. 2nd and inches. Jalen Waddle again looking like he's going to be the target for this game. The main target for Tua. 2nd down and inches. Can we get the stop? Nope. Devon Achane's first run of the game. Ugh. Stopped him before he could reach the end zone. 2nd down and 6. Almost the end of the first quarter. Touchdown, Devon Achane. Well, that was a pretty good drive for them. Not a good drive for our defense there. Extra point is good. 7-3 with 14 seconds left in the first quarter. Hopefully we can come back with a touchdown of our own on this drive. Kicks away. Oh, I didn't see that guy there. Up to the 31. Gonna go a little play action on first down. Jerry Jeudy. Caught. That'll be the end of the first quarter. That was a big play for Jerry Jeudy, probably like 38 yards. .45. Tight end attack. Run down the middle. Oh, I should have slid, but we still. Kinlaw hurt. They must have gotten him in free agency. First down and goal. Jerry Jeudy on a shallow cross. Not enough for the first down. Oh, diving catch by Jerry Jeudy for the touchdown. First touchdown of the day for the Cleveland Browns. As the announcers say, amazing diving catch by Jerry Jeudy. First passing touchdown of the day. Bam. What a catch. And we've taken the lead 9-7. The extra point will make it 10-7. They'll be down by 3. Might have shanked it. No. 10-3. 4 plays, 69 yards, 47 seconds. Off the clock. Here we go. Oof. Great tackle. Up to the 25-yard line. Tua Tagovailoa coming back out. Sending Myles Garrett in. To run by A-Chain. Tackle by Denzel Ward. Second down and 6. Here we go. Oh, fumble. Ah. They got the ball back. Sucks. Okay. Nice tackle. Thornhill with the tackle. Could have been a first down there, but nope, didn't turn out. Has 1. Second down and 4. Sacked by Hall Jr. Oh, Tua fumbled, but they got the ball back. 2 fumbles by the Dolphins already on this drive. That's offsides on me. Oh my god, oh my god. Another fumble, but it's not going to matter. I'm offsides. Yep. That was like impossible to even... Like I literally just like move over. Like I was like over the line. Like yeah. First down. We should have stopped that, but... Oh, challenge? Nope, still first down. Always have to check to make sure. I think they're going to run here. Definitely. Okay, Thornhill got right off of this guy, bro. Malik Washington. Watch this. Tua throws it. I'm not even on him yet. Look. I go on him right there when he's completely off of him. And then he's gone. So frustrating. 13-10. They take back the lead. 14-10. Kick is away. Right to our rookie wide receiver. Up to the 26-yard line. Gotta throw. We can't run it. Play action. Jerry Jeudy down the field. Oh, smacked it away. Second down and 10. Dawson Knox, and it's underthrown. Dawson Knox on play action. Wide open. Just get down. First down. Y stick. No, it's open. Just had to throw that away. Didn't have anything really there. 4 verticals. Try to get something here. Rookie hero. Oh, that was just underthrown. I thought I could get him there. 3rd down and 10. This is not looking too good. I don't like this play. PA Steams. Jerry Jeudy. Caught and dropped. Unbelievable. Well, first punt of the game. They get the ball back with 51 seconds left and 3 timeouts. Fumble.